In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple select fields in Airtable. If you want to organize your records more clearly and make filtering much easier, multi-select fields are a great tool to use. They let you assign more than one label or category to a single record, which is especially helpful when one item belongs in several groups at the same time. To get started, open your Airtable base and go to the table where you want to add the new field. Look across the top row where your column headers are displayed. On the right side of your existing fields, you'll see a plus sign. Click on that plus sign to create a new field. This is how you add another column to your table, and from here you'll be able to choose the type of information that field will store. Once the field setup window appears, look through the available field types and click on multi-select. This field type is designed for situations where you want to choose several options within the same cell. For example, instead of limiting a record to just one status, tag, category, or attribute, you can select multiple values at once. That makes your base more flexible and much easier to customize for real-world workflows. After selecting multi-select, the next step is to add an option. In the options area, type the name of the first choice you want users to be able to select. Then continue adding the rest of your options one by one. These options will become the selectable tags that appear in each cell of that field. Try to keep the option names short and consistent so they're easy to scan later. Clear naming also helps when you start sorting, filtering, or grouping records. As you build your list, think ahead about how the field will actually be used. If the options are too similar, your data can become messy over time. A simple, well-planned set of choices usually works best. Once your options are added, your multi-select field is ready to use. When you click into a cell under that column, you'll be able to select one or several of the options you created. Airtable will display them like colored tags, making your records easier to read at a glance. That's all it takes to add multiple select fields in Airtable. It's a quick setup, but it can make a big difference in how neatly your information is organized and how easily your team can work with it.